Multitasking is the new Google Chrome update feature that lets you put pages side by side in the same tab. Here's how to do it and use it in Google Chrome the official way, with no extension and no more new windows. First, find and right-click on the tab you want to set in split view, so the new page is arranged on the side of the active tab in Google Chrome in the same tab. That's it. No extension and no more new tabs. You can rearrange the window using the center slider that shows up in the Chrome browser. You can follow the same steps to make another side-by-side page in Google Chrome. To exit from split view, right-click on the tab and select separate views under the Arrange Split View option. To change the order, select Reverse Views under the Arrange Split View option. And to close any of the windows, click on the Close button at the bottom corner or choose any of the options under Arrange Split View. To get this feature, update your Chrome from the More menu. Under Help, select About Google Chrome. Check the Chrome version and wait for it to update itself. Then relaunch it. Or uninstall the old Chrome browser and download and install the new version on your PC. That's it. Don't forget to share these smart tips with your friends. If you have any questions, then comment below, and subscribe for new tips and tricks.